Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor for me to address you today at the start of such an exciting year for the University of Ljubljana. For 100 years, your university has been striving for independence and freedom of thought. You have been a front runner in developing knowledge and sharing it with society to build a strong academic community. This is what makes you stand out. This is what makes you truly European. This is why your centenary, it's not only a moment of celebration for your university, but also for the wider higher education community in Europe. As you know, we have just launched the first European Universities Initiative. This is the most ambitious and the most visible plan higher education in Europe has had since Erasmus+. I'm really glad that the University of Ljubljana is part of it. You and 113 other universities from all corners of Europe will help improve higher education for our citizens. Your alliance, named Utopia, brings together 6 regionally and nationally distinct universities. Together, you will pursue challenge-driven education, research and innovation. This has the potential to create real value for European society. It is essential that knowledge is broadened and then shared for the benefit of us all. Now is the time to make this vision a reality. It may not be easy. There will be work to be done, of course, but it will be worth it. All the faculties, students and staff in your alliance will have key roles to contribute. I'm looking forward to seeing the co-creation process unfold. When you succeed, I'm confident you will. You will then be a role model for other universities in your region, in Europe and globally. You will be an example by giving full automatic recognition of study periods and diplomas obtained abroad. Student lives will also be made much easier through the European Student Card Initiative. You can count on my full support in the European Commission. I encourage you to seize the opportunities offered by the future Erasmus Plus and Horizon Europe programs. They will help you achieve your strategic long-term goals by becoming a university of the future. We must all work together to improve inclusion, digitalization and sustainability in education and society generally. I can assure you that I will make every effort so that Erasmus Plus and Horizon Europe will work together to contribute to your success. I'm happy to celebrate 100 years of the University of Ljubljana with you. This is our common journey towards a European education area, and I'm looking forward to traveling it together. You can be very proud of what you have achieved for your students, for beautiful Slovenia and for Europe. Congratulations and best wishes for the next 100 years.